Now comes the final stage. Uma has to resolve to quit the house. She also decides never to sing again in her life. She retires to her village. She refrains from revealing that their jointly conceived dream was about to come into reality, that she is on family way, she is pregnant. Sullen and sunk completely, Uma waits endlessly for Subir to come and take her back in her village, but to no avail. Eventually, Uma has a miscarriage which finally drives her into complete depression, almost to the insane stage. She never talks to anyone, she never sheds even a single drop of tear. Meanwhile, here Sudhir is so much sunk into the bottle that no producer approaches him for cutting any record. His career is completely ended. Should vanity, ego come between the two couple who pursue the same career and end their wedding? Will Subir realize his folly? Will Subir comes to know that because of his undue abhiman, all these worst things have happened and drifted both of them away? All these are the issues which are so relevant even in the modern world among the middle class or the celebrities' lives, that was so touchingly dealt with by Rishikesh Mukherjee. No, I won't give any answers about the climax. Don't force me to be a spoiler. You yourself have to see and watch this, one of the most touching climax in the Indian cinemas, with equally soul stirring song. तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना हो, तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना, देखो ना, देखो ना, तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना. तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना, ओ तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना, देखो ना, देखो ना, तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना. सजना, नन्हा सा गुल खिलेगा अंगना, सुनी भैया सजेगी सजना, जैसे खेले चंदा बादल में, खेलेगा वो तेरे आंचल में, चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी, चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना, देखो ना देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रेना।
तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना, देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की। उमा, 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 बैठ जाइए, खामोश। मैंने एक भूल की, सुबीर कुमार को अकेले गाने का न्योता देकर। सुबीर कुमार का यह गीत सिर्फ सुबीर कुमार का नहीं, बल्कि सुबीर कुमार और उनकी पत्नी दोनों का एक सपना था। हमें खुशी है कि उमा देवी यहां मौजूद है। मैं उनसे विनती करता हूं कि वो अपने पति के पास आकर खड़ी हो जाएं और गाएं।
तूने चिट्ठी में लिखा था ना उमा कि सुबीर को फिर से गाना पड़ेगा। क्या वो शुभ दिन तू नहीं देखना चाहती?
हाँ बेटी, तुझे गाना ही पड़ेगा। मैं तेरे पिता समान हूं, मेरा आदेश है। चल चल, उठ उठ उठ। तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रना, ओ तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रना, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना, देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रना।
जैसे खेले चंदा बादल में, खेलेगा वो तेरे आंचल में।
चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी, चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना। देखो ना,
देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रैना। तुझे थामे कई हाथों से, मिलूंगा मद भरी रातों से। तुझे थामे कई हाथों से, मिलूंगा मद भरी रातों से।
जगा के अनसुनी सी धड़कन, बलमवा भर दूंगी तेरा मन।
नई अदा से सताएगी, नई अदा से सताएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना। देखो ना, देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रैना। नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना। देखो ना, देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रैना।
Soul-stirring plot and climax of Abhiman is said to have based on some real life character. There are several schools of theory regarding inspiration. It is deemed to be based on the troublesome marriage of the two Hindustani classical music maestros, the sitarist Ravi Shankar and Anupama Devi. Some even claim that it is based on real life of our singer Kishore Kumar and his first wife Ruma Guha, who also had been a singer. Hollywood movie A Star is Born of 1954, 1970s Bengali film Bilambita Roy are also cited as other inspiration. Many even go to the extent of saying that it was a warning for the real couple of Zanjeer who had fallen in love already and were in continuous courtship and on the verge of getting married and becoming real couple. That is Abhiman, the classic which has repeated watching value. Amitabh and Jaya have given their memorable performances in this movie. It is also said Amiya Production stand for Amitabh and Jaya, though credit card shows their so-called secretaries. Amitabh has given very nuanced, understated performance which demands so much from him and much better than the so-called series of angry young men roles which he had offered us and sometimes bored with us. But it is Jaya Baduri who steals the show, the bubbling girl from the village to the Nayi Naveli Dulhan to the dutiful wife, and despite being the top singer who is sought after, being grounded to the earth, and lastly the helpless wife who has to suffer a lot because of the envy of her husband. Every phase of her character she lives so well that no wonder she bagged the Filmfare Award for the Best Actress that year. Another aspect which makes this movie memorable is Majrooh Sultanpuri's lyrics and S.T. Burman's true 7 gems, which you will all agree with me. And Anuradha Pudwal, you may be knowing, who was to become the famous playback singer, began her career with this very film Abhiman, and her voice is used for a Sanskrit shloka picturized on Jaya Bahaduri in the movie. Rishida's subtle, never overboarding kind of direction makes it a magical and memorable movie, which is a must watch for any cinegoer. So do watch the original movie and listen to the original songs. Abhiman, never forget. Yaad rahega na? I'll be back with some other nostalgic movie with memorable song in my series of Yaad Rahega.